लो भाई हो गया पंचां दा फैसला हुण 6 तो 19 मार्च तक सारे ने तकड़े होना है।
आहो भाई परिवार सेहत जागरूकता मुहिम नु सफल जो बनाना है
ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਮੁਹਿੰਮ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਗੁਪਤ ਰੋਗਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੁਫਤ ਇਲਾਜ ਦਾ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਉਠਾਣਾ ਹੈ।
सरपंच जी सारियां तीवियां नु जागरूक करन दा जिम्मा मेरा।
ओ शाबाश है पंचनी भैणे बई गब्बरूआं ते मर्दां नु समझाउणा है असी सारे पंचां ने।
परिवार सेहत जागरूकता मुहिम 6 ਤੋਂ 19 ਮਾਰਚ ਤੱਕ।
ਵਧੇਰੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲਈ ਨੇੜੇ ਦੇ ਸਿਹਤ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਜਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਟੇਟ ਏਡਜ਼ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰੋ। ਫੋਨ 2689322 ਤੇ 2689324।
Let us come to the other categories of advertising. Based upon the style of advertisement, you have the direct ads which sell the product and the service flamboyantly. You would advertise with all your power and use all your resources to actually give the name of your product. These are usual ads that we see. Then comes the surrogate style of advertising. These are used for the products that have been banned by the government for advertisements. For example, the alcoholic products or the tobacco products. You have examples like the Haworth soda or the Kingfisher mineral water. Somebody would say McDowell's CDs and cassettes. However, everybody knows that all these are alcoholic products for beers or whiskies. But because they are prohibited in the category of advertisement by certain guidelines, they use the surrogate advertising. Such ads have to adhere to certain guidelines by SKI and AAAI. Next comes the ads categorization based upon the coverage. You could have local, regional, national or global ads. Obviously, as the names signify, these categories are based upon how many people you reach and in which areas or geographical limits. The local ads would be pertaining to your particular city or village. They might be appearing in the forms of newspaper pamphlets or advertisements in the newspapers that are local cable channels. Or you could have national ads. These appear in the national level newspapers. The regional ads appear in the television channels or the newspapers that have regional coverage.
अपना पंजाब
ਚਾਚਾ ਧਾਨ ਦੀ ਫਸਲ ਤੇ ਬੜੀ ਜ਼ੋਰਦਾਰ ਹੈ।
ਸਮੇਕਿਤ ਪੋਸ਼ਣ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧਨ ਅਪਣਾਇਆ ਸੀ।
ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ?
ਹਰੀ ਖਾਦ ਦੇ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰਤੀ ਏਕੜ 40-20 ਕਿਲੋ ਦੇ ਅਨੁਪਾਤ ਵਿੱਚ NPK ਖਾਦ ਪਾਈ ਸੀ। ਨਾਲੇ ਪ੍ਰਮਾਣਿਤ ਸੰਕਰ ਬੀਜ ਪਾਏ ਸੀ।
ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ?
ਖੇਤ ਦੀ 1/12 ਹਿੱਸਾ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਰਸਰੀ ਉਗਾਈ ਸੀ। ਪ੍ਰਤੀ ਵਰਗ ਮੀਟਰ 33 ਪੌਦਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੀ ਰੋਪਾਈ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ। ਸਮੇਕਿਤ ਕੀਟ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧਨ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਸੀ।
ਇਹ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਾਂਗਾ।
ਨਾਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਰਾਜ਼ ਹੋਰ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਿੰਕ ਘੱਟ ਸੀ। ਇਸੇ ਲਈ ਪ੍ਰਤੀ ਏਕੜ 10 ਕਿਲੋ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਿੰਕ ਸਲਫੇਟ ਵੀ ਪਾਇਆ ਸੀ।
ਭਈ ਵਾਹ ਚਾਚਾ, ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਿੱਕੀਆਂ ਹਨ ਪਰ ਅਸਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਵਿਖਾਈ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ।
ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲਈ 1551 ਤੇ ਨਿਸ਼ੁਲਕ ਫੋਨ ਕਰੋ।
National ads are like Dabur Chyawanprash. Regional ads would be like a particular saloon which is in your area. The local ad would be of a doctor who's practicing only in your particular town. Then you have international ads or global ads. These are products which are available all over the world and these people plan and wish to advertise in a homogeneous manner. For instance, advertisements for Dubai Shopping Festival, for IBM ThinkPads, for Singapore Airlines or our own Indian ad of Incredible India. Such ads are shown all over the world in the same manner as they appear anywhere. Another categorization of the ads could be based upon the stage of life cycle in which the product is. Pioneering ads. When a product is newly launched, you just have to give a teaser ad to tell your people that here is a product for you and also to create curiosity in their minds. The Hutch hoardings saying hi are examples of pioneering ads. Or the Maruti Alto, in which all the ads in print, outdoor and television would appear saying the hottest little thing in town. And the people would be curious to know what is this thing, are the pioneering ads. The second category is the informative ads. Now that the product has been launched, you need to inform your target audience about its advantages and its utilities. Such ads might appear again and again on your television screen or in your newspapers. For instance, All Out, ab sirf 35 rupees mein, appearing every 10 minutes on your television is an informative ad. Then comes the persuasive ads. Now that the people know about your product, they must be persuaded to buy it. These are usually the ads when the product has reached a certain stage in its life cycle, that is the third stage. All the ads about Coke, Pepsi, Dermicool powder are convincing you. अब 99% औरतें इसकी सलाह देंगी या फेना ही लेना. All these are persuasive ads. Then are the competitive ads. These are usually done in the last stage of a product's life cycle. After competition, the products that survive, and the products that die. Examples for this are the competitive ads between Iodex and Move. लगा लिया ना काला मोच वाला मलहम obviously refers to Iodex. Ads between Nirma and Rin. Nirma की टिकिया ज्यादा चले, पानी में रह के भी कम गले, refers to Rin. And of course the ads between Pepsi and Coke that we see day in and day out.
मैं सांस लेता हूँ तेरी खुशबू आती है एक महका महका सा पैगाम ला एक महकती खुशबू के साथ नया व्हील सफाई दिखे ही नहीं महके भी
अरे आप गए नहीं
पल पल नया खुशबूदार व्हील महंगी वाली धुलाई बजट में समाई.
Let us come to the next category. This is based upon the source of advertiser. The person who advertises, based upon this, we might categorize the ads into this classification. First is the company. Coca-Cola advertises for Sprite, for Coke, for Thumbs Up. So these are company-based advertisements.
Amul, the taste of India.
यही तो अमूल भैया स्वाद इंडिया का. अमूल the taste of India. अमूल the taste of India. अमूल the taste of India.
Next is the group of companies. When a group of company collaborates or different companies form a group and collaborate to advertise, this becomes advertisements by them. For instance, the Gold Council of India or the jute ads, ads for egg. Of course, you know that these are ads not for a particular brand but for the product. Heera Hai Sada Ke Liye is being given by companies who all collaborate and give an ad for diamond. Gold ads, diamond ads, ads for tea, ads for sugar, ads for jute are all product ads and fall under this category. Next comes the advertisements by government. These are usually the public service ads and are given by DAVP. Jago Grahak Jago ads, consumer awareness ads, polio ads or other public service advertisements that we have discussed. Then is the advertisements by political parties. Usually the parties in power would give huge full-page ads in the newspapers emphasizing upon their achievements. The India Shining campaign by BJP while it was in power is a very good example of ads by political parties. Now let us discuss another major categorization of advertisements. All the ads that we have discussed earlier come under above-the-line advertising. Now we would talk of below-the-line advertising. Now, what is this below-the-line advertising? This is something that uses unconventional means of advertising. You do not get the usual print ads or the television commercials, but certain other means. This is a part of integrated marketing. At times, you might not even realize that an advertisement is reaching you and it would just reach you. In this, we have certain examples like direct mailers. You might get a letter from Maruti Cars saying we have launched this new car and this has easy finance schemes available. This might just be an information in your mind, but this is again a way of reaching you as your target audience for their advertisement. Then you would have invitations. For instance, invitations for seminars or any other bhajan sandhya or informative talk by another person. You would have invitations for any guru or MV invitations. These are also below the line advertising techniques. Then come the seminars. For example, the educational seminar organized by MIT or Rai Foundation counseling students at this and this state on this and this venue. All these students who go and tell their acquaintances that we had gone to a Rai Foundation seminar would obviously give another impetus to them. That is the word of mouth advertising. There is free trials. For instance, when Sunsilk launched a new conditioner-based product, it gave free trials and then the freebies, that is the free gifts like this comb and rubber bands and clutches to girls. So these free trials would give in your mind an impact of the product. This is below the line advertising again. Other means of below the line advertising are having certain calendars in your home in which the company's name is written. All 12 months, you very happily display that company's advertisement in form of that calendar in your room. Or getting caps from certain brands where the name of the brand is written. At times, you might be invited to a marriage ceremony and given a sweet box along with. Very cleverly, the sweet shop owner has written his name upon that box. This is again a way of reaching you through below the line advertisement. POP, that is point of purchase. When you go to a shop and there are danglers hanging which display a particular product's advantages are another point of below the line advertising. Then there are packaging material. Giving a carry bag which has the brand published on it has effects upon not only you but also the other public that sees this carry bag. Then there are sponsorships. For instance, Sahara sponsored the dress of our cricket players. So much so that you started calling them the men in blue because the dress was blue in color. How huge the impact is of the below the line advertisements would be clear to you if you think and watch them more closely now. All these are examples of below the line advertisements. The brochures that come to you all decorated and made through direct mails. So the seminars, the direct mailers, the free trials, the freebies, the sponsorships, the packaging, the POP are all good below the line types of advertisements. All these were the traditional ways of advertising which are being very successfully followed even to this date. But as the times change, everything changes. Therefore, even the changes in the world of advertisement could not be kept behind. Now let us discuss certain new trends in advertising. First of them, and one of my favorites, is the inserts. Inserts in television serials or in movies. In certain television serials, you would have people talking about a new serial that is to be launched. This was a trend which was being used by Balaji Telefilms and now slowed in gradually by all the channels and all other production houses. You would have two people talking about characters of a serial which is yet to be launched. Then certain products also started advertising through this method. One of the examples that I saw was in a serial called Sarkar on ZTV. Two kids were discussing about Sunfeast and the freebies that they would get with the Sunfeast pasta treat. How good! The people just watch the serial and without even realizing, they are caught by the advertisement of the product. This trend of showing the product usage by the characters is being very successfully followed in the movies as well. In film, Tal, you have the hero and the heroine drinking Coke. In a movie called Bunty and Bubbly, the Maruti Swift, the car which was yet to be launched, was very prominently being used. In the same film, Amitabh Bachchan wears the jacket of a certain brand. NDTV, which is a news channel, has also been used in movies like Rang De Basanti and Virudh. This is advertising, in which again, without realizing consciously, the people have this unconscious effect of the product in their minds.
Pooja! Pooja. Hello, Pooja. LIC policy. हमारे बच्चे के भविष्य को सुरक्षित करने का पहला कदम। अब हमारा बच्चा बिल्कुल सुरक्षित है।
आपको ले चलते हैं एक ताजा खबर की तरफ। अभी अभी पता चला है कि एक MiG-21 विमान दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हो गया है। पिछले 6 महीनों में ये दूसरी विमान दुर्घटना है। रक्षा मंत्रालय ने इस दुर्घटना के लिए जांच के आदेश दे दिए हैं। सूत्रों से पता चला है कि इस लड़ाकू विमान के पायलट फ्लाइट लेफ्टिनेंट अजय राठौड़ की दुर्घटना में मृत्यु हो गई है। पायलट राठौड़ ने इस हादसे में काफी सूझबूझ से काम लिया और नियंत्रण खो चुके मिग को एक खाली मैदान में क्रैश कराया, जिससे कि आबादी में रहने वाले लोगों पर कोई आंच न आए। और हमारे पास जो आंकड़े हैं,
Sending commandos is the death of democracy. Today is a sad day in the history of Indian politics. इस चिंगारी को हम आग और शोले में बदल लेंगे।
इससे एक लहर उठेगी जो पूरे इंडिया में फैलेगी और करप्शन मिट के रहेगा।
The truth has to come out in some way, and if it has to come out through this way, then we are all for it. Yes. अगर हमारे हर इंसान को जागना है, तो ऐसा ही कोई धमाका हमारे देश को जरूरत है।
How long we are going to sit and just talk about these things? We got to take some steps, and they have done it. They have taken a right step.
जो मुआशरा नया आएगा वो खूबसूरत और इस करप्शन से बाहर होगा इंशाल्लाह।
The fire that you have ignited in our minds and hearts, that's not going to fizz out very soon, and we'll see that your dream goes to an end. We will do it.
भाभी जी,
भाभी बोलो ना, एक और चाल चलूं क्या?
सिर्फ
मुझे क्या पता?
चाल और
सर दर्द से आराम। अच्छा दवा लाओ? नहीं, मैं लाती हूँ। दीदी ये सैडोन ले लो, सर दर्द बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएगा। एक बार चलो तो। ए दिखा,
अगर ज्यादा दर्द है तो कैंसिल कर देते हैं।
हाँ तू कैंसिल कर दे। नहीं नहीं नहीं, उसको से होता रहता है, सैडोन खा के ठीक हो।
कैसा लगा शोरूम? क्या बात है, दुनिया कितनी छोटी है ससुर जी। इंडिया में मैं यही ब्रांड पहनता हूँ और ये पहला इंडियन डेनिम ब्रांड है जिसका शोरूम लंदन में भी खुला है।
Another new trend being followed is celebrity endorsements. You take a celebrity and he endorses your products in all your print ads as well as television commercials. But even in his public life, he must be seen only with your product. For instance, Amir Khan advertises for Coke. But if he is publicly seen drinking Pepsi or any other rival brand, this would not gel with his audience. And therefore, he must be very careful with this. Amitabh Bachchan endorses Reed & Taylor. And therefore, he usually would be wearing the cloths which are made from the fabric of this particular brand.
रोज बदले मेरा स्टाइल, पर मेरा स्टाइल फंडा गार्नियर न्यूट्रिस, जो ग्रेप सीड और एवोकाडो ऑयल के साथ करे पोषण, इसलिए खूबसूरत निखरता कलर, रहे ज्यादा समय जड़ों से सिरे तक और सफेद बाल गायब। यकीनन बालों को दे पोषण, बेहतर कलर, गार्नियर न्यूट्रिस, गॉर्जियस।
इतने सारे दिन, इतने सारे मैसेजेस, क्या ये प्यार है?
क्या ये प्यार है? पर हम तो मिले ही नहीं।
तो मिलोगी मुझसे? यस यस यस।
पर
तुम्हारी पहचान कोका कोला हो जाए?
कोका कोला हो जाए?
I'll carry a Coca-Cola.
कोका-कोला हो जाए, जो चाहो हो जाए, कोला एंजॉय।
Another trend is advertorials. Times of India started with advertorials amongst much criticism in September 2003. However, this trend is being followed not only by them but by many other newspapers and magazines as well. Advertorials are articles written in a journalistic style, but they talk about a product in such a manner that the people would be influenced. Now, because they appear like a news and not like an ad, all the hardcore people who would not be influenced by ads would rather be influenced by advertorials. So friends, in this era of globalization, when companies are vying for the attention of their target groups, advertising would touch skies. You have the old styles of advertising, the below the line advertising, as well as the new trends coming up. were just the broad classifications, though you would categorize advertisements in many other ways.